Got a big idea but don't know where to start? Don't worry, these AI tools will help you bring your vision to life, and the best part? No coding needed. Let's dive in and explore the options together. First up is Bubble.io. If you've ever dreamed of building a web app without writing a single line of code, Bubble.io is the way to go. It's a drag-and-drop platform that lets you create fully functional web applications. Bubble.io helps you visually design user interfaces, manage workflows, and integrate APIs without any coding. What makes it even better is its AI features, which suggest workflows to optimize your project. Entrepreneurs can use it to create MVPs for startups without hiring developers. Small businesses can automate operations with custom web apps, and freelancers can offer app development services without needing coding skills. While it's highly customizable and scalable, it does come with a steep learning curve for complex apps, and the cost can add up as you scale. However, for basic apps, there's a free tier, and personal plans start at $29 per month. Many users swear by it, like one entrepreneur who said, "Bubble allowed me to launch my startup without a technical co-founder. It's like having a whole dev team in one tool." Next, let's talk about Adalo. If you want to build mobile apps for iOS and Android, Adalo is a great choice. It's perfect for creating native apps without any coding skills. With Adalo, you get a drag-and-drop interface to design and launch mobile apps, and its AI assistant suggests layouts and design improvements to make the process even easier. Startup founders can test app ideas with MVPs. Local businesses can create loyalty or ordering apps, and event planners can develop custom event apps. It's especially great because you can publish directly to iOS and Android. However, its functionality is somewhat limited for more complex apps, and costs can add up quickly. There's a free tier for basic apps, and advanced features start at $45 per month. A satisfied user shared, "Adalo helped me build my food delivery app from scratch. No coding, no problem." Now, let's move on to Glide. This tool is a dream come true if you're comfortable using spreadsheets. Glide turns your Google Sheets into powerful interactive apps. The way it works is simple. Glide syncs with your Google Sheets and transforms your data into sleek, functional apps. Its AI features automate data handling and suggest app layouts, making it perfect for freelancers creating client dashboards, teams building internal tools, or startups launching MVPs quickly. Glide is incredibly easy to use and allows for fast app deployment. However, it's limited when it comes to creating complex apps and heavily relies on the structure of Google Sheets. There's a free tier for basic apps, and pro plans start at $25 per month. One user said, "Glide helped me automate my client reports. What used to take hours now takes minutes." Another amazing tool is Softer.io. It's ideal if you're looking to turn your Airtable data into sleek web apps with zero coding. Softer connects directly to Airtable and transforms your data into professional-looking apps. Its AI features are great at suggesting layouts and workflows to get you started fast. Entrepreneurs can use it to build MVPs. Businesses can create client portals, and marketers can launch product directories. It's quick to deploy, offers clean and modern designs, and its AI workflow suggestions make it even more user-friendly. However, it's somewhat limited by Airtable's features and offers basic design options. Softar has a free tier for basic use, with pro plans starting at $29 per month. As one user put it, "Softar saved me thousands. I built a client portal without hiring a developer." Finally, we have Thunkable, which is perfect if you want to create mobile apps for both iOS and Android at the same time. Thunkable's drag-and-drop interface allows you to build apps for multiple platforms simultaneously. Its AI features help optimize user flows and app performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast building prototypes, a business creating internal tools, or a nonprofit developing community apps, Thunkable has got you covered. It supports cross-platform development and offers API integrations, but it's not as scalable for large projects and has a bit of a learning curve for advanced features. There's a free starter plan, with pro plans starting at $45 per month. One happy user said, Thunkable let me launch my fitness app without any coding. It was seamless. These 5 AI-powered no-code tools make turning your ideas into reality easier than ever. Whether you're building a web app, mobile app, or internal tool, there's a solution here for you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to AI Decoder for more amazing tech content. You definitely don't want to miss what's coming next.